This came out perfect. We started it in the oven, finished it off in the barbecue, and it is perfect. Medium rare. Can't wait to eat it. Let's get started.
And welcome back to the channel. We have a special surprise for you today. We are going to cook a 6-pound standing rib roast. We're going to do it a different way. We're going to sear it in the oven first, and we're going to take it out to the barbecue, and we're going to slow cook it, get all that smoky goodness in, and it's going to be wonderful. So stay with us. Be right back. Okay, so we're going to prep our roast, but first, go ahead and start your oven. I tend to like it really hot, so I got it at 550 degrees. Anywhere between 450 and 550 is perfect for searing. You just got to keep kind of an eye on it. So another mistake that people make is they don't bring their roast to room temperature, and that is super important. So get it out early, let it sit, let it get to room temperature. Let's go ahead and get started. We have, what we're going to use is some salt, and we're going to use, and this is actually Hawaiian rock salt, and we use that in growing up in Hawaii. This is all we ever use, so that's one of the things that we like to use. Some pepper, fresh ground. We're going to use some garlic powder, and then a little bit of ground paprika, and that will add just a little bit of goodness in there. And once it gets on the barbecue, it's going to taste awesome. So we have our 6-pound roast. I like to pat it nice and dry, get it all so the spices stick to it a little bit better and stay on it. So I'm just going to sprinkle some in my hand and spread the goodness. And you're really not, this is kind of going to form a crust anyway, so don't worry about, oh my gosh, I put too much. It's like, nah.
Yeah, it's actually a large piece of meat, so
Yeah.
you really do need to season it well.
And don't forget the bottom too. A lot of people think that that doesn't matter. It matters. Okay. I think we're good there. Take some of this. Okay. We have our roast all seasoned up, ready to go. I went over those ingredients with you. We're going to put it in our pan, and we will drop it in the oven for about 10 minutes at 500 degrees. And then while that's in there, I'm going to go get the barbecue going. So here we go, into the oven. Oven is preheated, ready to go. Ooh, that's hot. This is going to be good. Toss that in there, and we'll time it for about 10 minutes.
Okay, we'll see you back outside.
2 thumbs up. All right, let's pull this out and take a look. Oh yeah, it's all got a nice crust. So this is kind of what you're after. You want it, it's got a little dark here on the top, but we should be fine. So we're gonna put it in our barbecue at a medium heat, and then cook it till probably internal temperature about 130 or so, and then we should be able to let it rest for about 20 minutes, and then we'll cut into it and we'll show you the goodness. It's gonna be awesome. All right, we are got it out of the oven. We are putting it on the grill, and here we go. Should be good. We're gonna let that sit for maybe a couple hours, maybe. You can see I pulled most of the coals to the outside edges, so it will cook slower, and we'll tone this down. I've already turned the bottom vents down a bit, so we're good to go.
Okay, we'll see you in a couple hours.
All right. And looky there, that's about perfect. It's perfect degrees. We're gonna take it off and put it in the pan. Let it rest.
Looks good.
Okay, we have our standing rib roast. It's all done. We cooked it to internal temperature of about 140 degrees. Now we're going to let it rest for about 20 minutes, and then we'll cut into it and show you what we got. We're ready. It is rested for about 20 minutes, and it looks fantabulous. So we're going to go ahead and get to cutting. First, I want to trim the bones off here, which I probably should have done earlier, but it's okay. And here we go.
Looks good.
Oh, it looks tasty.
Okay, so what are your final thoughts?
I'm saying that it worked out as planned.
Yeah, it looks really
It
good.
looks-
It's the perfect
came out
color.
nice.
It looks great. The smell's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call it a success.
Yeah.
And I would definitely do it again this way.
And I'm going to say 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up, okay? So we hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. We'll see you next time.
Bye.